Hi, good morning everybody. My name is Alma and this is my project number 4. For this recipe, we need hot water, 1 Velveeta, chicken seasoning, bag of soup, oil, carrot, coriander, onion, and 1 clove of garlic. This recipe is too easy. Just follow me. First, we put to heat the water. Then, we heat a pot to put the soup. Put a little oil in the pot and put inside the clove of garlic. Then, we incorporate the soup to gild it. Then, remove the oil when the soup is colored light brown. We introduce the Velveeta to the soup to be gilded. Then, add the hot water. We put the coriander, onion, and carrot. Then, add the chicken seasoning to flavor the soup. The next thing is to go down to simmer the soup to make it. Taste it, add flavor, and if it's delicious, cover it. We waited 25 minutes for the soup to be ready. Later, when the soup passes the 25 minutes, we try to see if it's delicious. And in the end, we serve soup and ready. Delicious!